With just 2 months left for your IAS CSET examination, what should be the best strategy to prepare for your prelims? Paper 2. Now, since prelims paper 2 is only a qualifying paper, many students don't pay a lot of importance to it. Of course, there are many students for whom maths and reading becomes easy for them. This qualifying paper is something you need not to worry about. But for many students, sometimes they feel that the quant section is taking a lot of time, they are running short of time, the reading comprehension sections they are not able to comprehend the right strategy to solve the questions. So for those students, we would recommend that a little practice would help you gain substantially more, since it's just a qualifying paper. With a little effort you can secure very good results for your qualifying paper, because many students have also got acquainted with, have registered the fact that they were able to do well with the GS paper 1, but for the CSET they remained marginally. So just to avoid that, what could be the last 1-2 month strategies that you can adopt? So here on YouTube Exam Race, we have the complete playlist for the CSET paper 2. Now this playlist specifically targets on to the PYQs, the previous year paper solutions that have come up. So you can go through those kind of questions, and that would give you an insight about what would be the right strategy to solve the question, the right strategy to practice the questions, and this would be very, very beneficial to you for your forthcoming examination. So again, it's really important to note that when you are practicing these questions, you would be able to capture an insight, because we have been taking the CSET solutions immediately after your examination is over since many a years. So you have a good compendium of questions here, and these questions would help you understand and get a right part to it. And then for practice, if you want, you can refer the material, and this would be recommended only for the students who actually face problem with specific subjects. So there are some students who find maths difficult, so you can simply go for the choose books options and choose the respective books. Let's say for those who find maths difficult, can go for only maths, and this would give you a practice onto the existing content. So wish you all the best for your forthcoming prelims examination. We'll be covering many important topics before your prelims. The series on expected questions we have already introduced, which gives you a detailed idea about the GS, and of course GS is something that we are covering constantly. So stay tuned with our Yojana, Kurukshetra and Down to Earth editions. Thanks for joining in.